Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert a PDF to URL link. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Next, click the square grid icon in the top right corner to open the Google Apps menu and then click on Google Drive. Once Drive opens, go to the top left and click New, then choose File Upload. Now just find the PDF file on your computer that you want to convert and double-click to upload it. Once it finishes uploading, you'll see a notification that says Upload Complete. Now click on the PDF file you just uploaded. In the top right, click the Share button. Under General Access, click the drop-down and change it to anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link and click Done. And that's it. You can now send this link to anyone, and they'll be able to view or download the PDF directly in their browser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.